Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change order of pages in a menu. So in Editor X, so let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Editor X, and when you're gonna be here, you just want to click on like Manage Menu. And here I got the About and who we are as I create the submenu. And what you want to do is just simply take like a contact and move it, and then just home and move it. And you can simply move everything as much as you want. It's like really simple. And yeah, so this is how we can do it. So again, you take like About and just move it somewhere. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. You know how it goes, you know how it works, and yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.